So, kumustahin po natin kung tapos na ba itong Art Craft Academy dito po sa Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. So, try natin. So, marami pala pumupunta at nakikita niyo po yung Art Circle Gallery. Ayan, maraming mga, ang gaganda ng kanilang mga designs. Oh, itong isa parang realism. Yung iba, yung aside from realism, surrealism. Pasok po. Yes, thank you so much. So are these your artwork or someone else?
This is someone else.
Okay.
Contemporary.
Yes, contemporary art po lahat.
Yes po, Filipino siya.
Oo, Filipino, contemporary
Like,
artists.
we have the Cubism. We have
Yes,
Jess
sir.
Santos.
Okay. Do you have also your artwork here?
No,
One or
I
two?
don't have
You're not an artist
I'm an
yourself?
artist. Mukha lang akong artist.
You're an artist, pero mukha lang artist. Sige po. So, ayan. So, ito, how much
We
do
have
they
this
cost?
like Jess Santos and
Ito. Kaso hindi ko siya mahagip eh.
usually pag ganitong size we have 24 by 24. Ito,
Okay.
yung cost niya ngayon compared to early years, nasa 120 na siya.
120,000. Grabe, no?
Sa 24 by 24 based on the size.
Sa 20 by
24 by
24. 24 by 20 na size. Pag mas maliit, katulad po nito, mga how much po ang price?
This is a different one. It's ano po Santos din to.
Oo.
Pero not just
Mahal na po sa
around
Santos. 30,000.
mga ganitong size.
Oo, maganda naman talaga yung gawa niya, no?
Si Jess Santos kasi, naging back-to-back winner siya ng GSIS Annual Art Competition. Hi sa mga viewers pala ni Ma'am.
Opo, yes po.
And salamat sa pagbisita sa Art Circle Gallery.
Oy, okay.
So aside from Jess Santos, like I said, isa sa mga achievement niya was a back-to-back champion doon sa GSIS Annual Art Competition. And sometimes in 2014, I think.
Wow. O, taga saan po si Jess Santos, sir?
Nandito sa Manila.
Taga Manila. Tagalog po siya. Okay. So, pero ito mas nagustuhan ko to. Oh. Personally, iba't iba naman kasi yung mga mata ng mga tao, no? When it comes to art. Ito po yung ganyan po, mga how much is that?
Mother and child.
Mother and child, yes.
This one is from Joseph Villamar. The artist is here.
Joseph Villamar. And how much is one like that?
Nasa 40,000 siya.
Okay. Ayan, clear. Mas klaro po siya. Nasa 40,000 yung ganito. Ganyan po na frame.
Yes po.
Okay, kasama na po yung frame niya. Pwede mo namang papalitan yung frame, no? In case, oo, gusto mo, after buying it. Ayan. Ito naman may mga metal sculptures. Ayan, may mga metal sculptures sila. Are they expensive po?
Kinda. Nasa kalahati. And this one is 900,000.
1,000 do. Kalahating milyon. 500,000. Pero ito, 900. Ito bang 900 na to? Kasi dalawa po sila.
Yeah.
Oo, hindi lang siya one side na ganyan. Infinite possibilities. Kasi parang 8, parang 8 po siya, no? Cycle of life, infinity. Tama. Grabe. And they're made of brass. Iron.
Yes.
What po?
Brass.
Brass. Oo, parang brass nga po. So,
And the artist's name is Chris Velasco.
wow, Chris Velasco. Is he a national artist or something? Si Chris Velasco? Hindi pa. Pero
I think
soon.
candidate siya
A candidate for this year.
we don't really know.
Oo, yes. Oo, parang candidate siya sa sculpture. Yan, ang ganda. So, infinity, parang cycle of life, parang 8 siya. So, but you know, the amount, the cost is actually 900,000. So, it's almost $1 million. Kasi when you speak of art, it's really priceless. Di po ba? Priceless talaga siya.
Most of the collectors who come here, we don't really discuss about the price.
Oo nga po.
Kasi I like this.
Oo. That's the time we talk of prices.
Yeah.
Oo, for the sake of parang education na lang, sir. Parang ganun po, no? Uy, yung mga pictures po doon, paintings there, ito iba. Kakaiba naman po ito na sculpture. Wow, grabe. Destruction, no?
Darna. Nakita mo si Darna?
Andyan. Ito si Darna.
Darna and the Giant.
Darna and the Giant. Yung ating special hero na Filipina hero. Superhero si Darna. Oo. Equivalent to, I would say, Wonder Woman. O, pero kakaiba din si Wonder Woman eh. Kasi may bato si Darna. Tingnan niyo naman po yung mga distraction dyan sa baba, oh. Darna! May bato si Darna. At meron siyang Ding. Okay, yung kanyang sidekick na si Ding. Ayan, ang saya-saya naman pala. So, ako sir, I really feel very happy when I go to art galleries like this. Especially on a Sunday, wala tayong nagagawa. So, ang ganda kasi meron tayong art appreciation, kumbaga. Ito po, oo, kanino po, ano po? Kanino po gawa? Yan.
Sculpture ni Glenn Kaganda.
Glenda?
Glenn Kaganda.
Lalaki po yun, si Glenn.
Glenn, yes po.
Glenn Pagandahan.
Glenn Kagandahan.
Wow, talagang ang ganda-ganda. Ito po, oh. Hindi ko mahagip kung saan. Ayan, ayan. Ayan, hanapin nyo na lang guys yung mga artists na to. At maybe very soon they will become national artists. Kasi some of them are actually candidates for national artist. Ito po, painting, oil painting po ba? Acrylic. So, sino naman po ang may gawa, sir?
This is an art of Nilo
Ito
Badajos.
pala. Ang hina ko naman Ayan. Grabe na ngayon yung mga artists, sir, no? It's not like the time of Van Gogh and the other mga classical artists na namulubi muna sila. Okay, they suffered the poverty bago sila sumikat. Ngayon, ang mga artist po ngayon, talaga iba na. Yung kanilang mga gawa ay mahal na. Ayan, pero anyway, ayan. So,
gusto mong makita yung
alin po?
Makita yung Vincent Van Gogh inspired artworks.
Yes, of course. Andyan, may mga secret si sir eh. Vincent Van Gogh inspired art. Dito raw po sa kabila. Ayan. Starry Night. Wow. This is Filipino version of the Starry Night of Vincent Van Gogh.
Not necessarily the version, but parang inspired by. Because of
course.
Alam mo na yung mga Vincent Van Gogh.
Mga circle.
Yes po.
Oo, may konti akong alam pala sa art.
And this one.
Oo, tama.
The name of the artist is Limuel Cunanan.
Wow.
Our very own Limuel Cunanan.
Limuel Cunanan. Nga po, no, yung mga circle strokes, circular strokes, ganyan. At syempre, priceless din po. Sige.
Another version ni Limuel Cunanan is also this. We have two na hindi naman siya, talagang sobrang realistic, ano bang tawag dito? Yung sa bukid, yung tema na
bukid, yes. Amorsolo, Fernando Amorsolo loves the landscape, the Filipino landscape. Ayan. So, surely, syempre expensive din po.
This one is Jeff Dizon. He is definitely a guy soon to be a national artist.
Wow. Si Jeff Dizon.
Yeah.
So, grabe
50 years in art na siya. Tagal na.
Okay. So, 50 years in art. So, medyo mga around na siya. Mga 60s, 60 years old na po si Jeff Dizon. Yes. Ganyan yung kanyang mga gawa.
30 by 30.
And this one, who made this? I like this. Siyempre mga babae, no? Mga butterflies.
This one naman is Melchor Bernaldo.
Okay. Oo. Ayan siya, Ang gaganda.
Isang tipo ng artwork niya is more on the sense of the
yung murals para sa mga bangko, halimbawa, Ayan.
This is also a master artist, Manuel Baldimor.
Okay, pero hindi pa po siya naging national artist. Si Manuel Baldimor. Okay, down below is the work of
This is Larry.
Larry. So
Larry
there's
mga facade series.
yes. There's a bigger one and a smaller version here. And this one is mixed art.
This is
right?
also Chris Velasco.
Chris Velasco, mixed artist. Kasi meron siyang mga metal, merong paint, may something sa kanya.
Yeah, Chris Velasco.
Ayan si Chris Velasco. Hello, mega love shoutout po kay Sir Chris Velasco. Sina-shoutout ko na yung mga artist eh. Ayan, pag naging national artist kayo, congratulations. Hindi pa man kayo naging national artist, I am already one of your... I like your work and very nice. So, Lods, mga artist Lodi. Ayan na po, ayan na. Uy, may durian. Oo, ayan. Uy, what is this? It's also a... bag po yan na tunay, tapos pininturahan. Hindi siya tunay na bag? Ha?
Gawa din niya sa brass.
Oo, it's a sculpture.
I just forgot that it's Ram Malyari.
Ay, kaya pala. Si
You know
Malyari is already a national artist.
Yes.
Nanalo na talaga. Oo, dati ko na siyang idolo. Oo,
It's
gusto.
Ram Malyari.
Kaya pala ang ganda, kasi Ram Malyari pala siya. Ayan, nice, nice talaga. It's a bag with a woman. Oo, gamit niya kasi mga patapon na bagay, tapos he makes art out of them. Ayan. Ganda ng Malyari. Okay, work. Salamat, sir. Okay, inabala ko ba kayo? Thank you so much. Simply Jane po. Simply Jane. Come to Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Art Circle Gallery. Thank you so much, Sir Mike. Bye. Ayan, ayan. Okay, okay.